What role can spiritual process play? It is like this. If you want to do anything well, suppose you want to drive well, the better you know your car, the better you can drive it. Is that so? This goes for you, the better you know this one, the better you can deal with it, the better you can conduct this to the process of life. Just knowing the surface of it, you're not going to do a great job. If you just want to go to your office, maybe you just have to know where the steering wheel is and where the 2 or 3 pedals are. But if you want to put this on the Formula One track, you better know everything, all the dynamics that are functioning in the driving of a car, isn't it? So if you want to be on the fast track, there should be nothing about this that you do not know. You must know how to conduct this. You must know how this will function at its optimum level. If you just learn to handle this properly, you will see human perception is such that you don't have to struggle with every little thing. The stress and nonsense that you're going through in life is simply because this has not been sufficiently explored. So spiritual process does not mean looking up or looking down, it means looking inward, because the more you know about it, the more efficiently and more successfully you can conduct this. It doesn't matter what qualifications you have, it doesn't matter what accumulated information you have in your head, essentially your success is determined by how this one is right now. Yes or no?
To be successful in the world, 2 fundamental qualities are that you must be able to harness the prowess of your mind and your body. If you want to harness the mind, one most important quality is you must know how to be equanimous. Equanimity gives you access to different dimensions of your mind. If there is no equanimity in a skewed sense of mind, your ability to use the mind is greatly reduced. Another dimension is on the level of your energy, both physiologically and internally, you must be exuberant. Only when your energies are exuberant within you, you have the ability to tide over various obstacles that one may face in day-to-day activity towards one's success. If these 2 dimensions are brought into your mind and your body, that you're equanimous and you're exuberant, success will come to you much more easily.
If you do not know this, you will be only successful by chance, and even if you're successful, anyway you will suffer it, you will not enjoy it.